Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you the steps for reaching in Upavishthakonasana. So first, stand straight, inhale, exhale and go down in Uttanasana. Stay there for 10 seconds or 10 counts. Let the glute muscle open up. Keep exhaling, stay there. Inhale, come up, bring your hands down. Increase the slight distance between your feet. Let the distance between your feet should be equivalent to your waist. Exhale and go down again. This time try to take your hand below your feet. As much as you can, keep exhaling. Again, stay there for 10 to 15 counts. Your hamstring muscle is getting ready over here. Keep exhaling. Slowly bring your hands out. Inhale. Bring your hands down. Now increase the distance more. Distance should be double of your waist. Inhale. Exhale. We are going for Prasaritapadottanasana. Your inner thigh, glute, hamstring is getting ready over here. You can always make this intense by lifting your toes up. Stay there. You can bend it towards your alternate side. Take your head towards right side. Then left side. Hold it with the opposite hand. All these muscles are getting ready to go deeper into the posture. Inhale and come up. This time we will bring our feet, our toes out. Increase the distance. If you get a floor or if you can wear a socks, this will help you to slide and reach in the posture easily. If not, you can simply slide, hold there with your thumb facing in front, fingers pushed behind beside your inner thigh. We have reached in Samakonasana. Let's hold the posture. If possible, sit down over there. If not, you can simply sit and open your legs or stretch your legs out. To go in Upavishthakonasana, first hold your first finger or your toe. Go down as much as possible. If you feel comfortable, bring your hands in front. Take your chest down and keep exhaling. Keep your belly as a target to reach the floor. If my information was helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again, or if you want me to share some more tips or something new, do let me know. Thank you.